Hello, CJ! Kumusta?
Hello! Okay lang. Super fun, super enjoy ng press conference namin. I hope nag-enjoy din kayo sa performance ko and sa whole event namin today.
Grabe yung pasabog mo, ha?
Thank you! Very impromptu, pero I already know I will do a hair flip. I was just thinking when. Supposedly, I'll do it nung unang part. Pero napansin ko kasi na mabilis mag-transition yung camera so baka masayang siya. So those are the things that I really weigh in pagdating sa mga routines na ginagawa ko. So I know na medyo mahaba yung exposure dun sa center camera. Kaya sabi ko, okay, nasa isip ko habang naglalakad, doon ko gagawin sa dulo. So it went well, I believe.
Yes,
And
it
mukhang marami
was.
namang natuwa.
And grabe yung grabe yung mga tao, inaabangan yung ganung pasabog mo.
Thank you.
Right after the, yung pagrampa mo, na-post agad ng mga Philippine media.
Thank you.
Eye-catching talaga yung ginawa mo.
Oo nga, kakakuha ko lang ng phone. Actually, kakikita ko lang. So, thank you so much po sa mga nagtatag, may mga nag-share, and of course sa inyo na present din sa area kanina. Thank you so much for sharing my performance. And I can't wait to show more for the upcoming competitions. We have the swimsuit sa Pattaya, and then, of course, the preliminaries and the finals are coming very soon. So, those are the things that I have to prepare. And, yeah, para sa inyo naman to lahat.
Yeah, so a lot of people sending messages for you.
Yes.
Laban lang, Pilipinas.
Yes, I know. Thank you so much. Mahal ko kayong lahat.
At i-enjoy mo lang ang journey
Yes,
mo
I
dito.
will. Yes, lagi.
God bless.
Salamat po. Mwah.